Hi guys, it's Moz here from Moz6510 Models, and on the workbench tonight I've got a Volkswagen Campervan by Airfix, but it's not just a scale model, it's a quick build. So basically it's a kit which involves no glue, no paint, and you get a model. Or as I've always said, no mess, no fuss, just build. So yes, this is the quick build Volkswagen Campervan. I've had it in my stash for a while and I've been tempted to build it, but other things have come onto my workbench that I've wanted to film. So I thought we'll get down to this and build it. Obviously on the front you have the campervan in red. You have an exploded view there. On the side you have the box art again, and just telling you it's a Volkswagen Campervan. On top, box art plus a little flappy thing so that shopkeepers can put it on a rack. Same this side. And then underneath you have the warnings. You have the Volkswagen licensed product hologram there. This one does come with the flying hours. All the later ones don't seem to come with the flying hour, so get it while you can. The code for this one is J6017 QuickBuild Volkswagen Campervan, and that's basically it. On the back you have exploded view, tells you it's supposed to have 4 people. The measurements are 4.2 meters long, 1.94 meters high, and just under 2 meters wide. It weighs 1.5 kilograms, 1,500 kilograms, which is 1.5 ton. Maximum speed is 100 kilometers an hour. We don't want to go much faster than that, which is about 60-70 miles an hour. And just other bits and pieces there. And it has a 1.5 litre flat 4 engine in it, and it's in the back. Again, that's really basically everything there. Also just shows you again it's a licensed product from Volkswagen. So there you are. So let's open the box and let's see what you get inside. So first off, they are not transfers, they are stickers. And there you go, that's what it looks like. So you've got indicator and brake light. I think these are front headlights. Looks like there's a cam belt there for the engine or something. Some go faster stripes, it looks like, registration number plate, and a steering wheel. By looking at the instructions, it's 42 pieces, and there's quite a bit of plastic, clear plastic in this one. Lifting it up, just seeing how they've done it here. Oh, same again, so this time it's going downwards this time. All these are different. They're completely, you know, every single time the instructions are different. There's no set way of producing these instructions. So this time you're going 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going from top to bottom, top to bottom, top to bottom, top to bottom. 20 steps so far. And then there's a lot of flipping, etc. Put the wheels on, 26, 27, and then so they're showing you where the stickers go. Quite simple, really. Oh, there, let's not go fascist stripes. That's just a sticker there to separate the window. All right, so there's that. So it comes in 2 bags. Quite a lot of. Let's open this up. Quite a lot of clear parts there. Like before, it's like Lego. Okay, so quite a lot of plastic involved in that. And you have quite a lot here in the bag. Do a quick cut. Open it up, and there you are. Lots of pieces there. Let's get it out of the bag. Oh, there you go. The wheels are rubber. And there is a way of doing the wheels. I'll do the first one first. Take this off. Basically, there is a little lip inside, and there's a little lip here on the plastic. So it goes in that way. Okay, so the lip goes to the front, and it just slots in with a little push, and there you are. There's the wheel done. So that's it. That's everything here. Let's move this out of the way. So then, let's get into the time lapse. Basically, if you want to watch this slowly, you can. Just go to the cog settings, click playback speed, and select either 0.5 or 0.25, and that'll basically slow the video down, because it is going to be a time lapse, so it takes a picture every 10 seconds or something. So here we go. This is the time lapse, and I'll see you on the other side. And here is the final build. It was actually really good fun to build. There are a couple of things which I think they could have done better. Was with the instructions. They should have put the seats way before. They could have put the seats in just after you put on the side. You know, it was when you put the seats in, you know, it was a right pain in the behind, if you know what I mean, to get them in. These are quite tricky to get into slot, these ones here. But the real pain in the ass were these white ones here. I'm going to take one of the wheels off to show you, if I can, now they're on. But try and pull one off. There you go. Right. Why have you done this, Airfix? Why have you done this? I'll just take this one off here. So, as you can see here, there is like the littlest of like holes there. See that? And on here, you've got the faintest of, I don't know if you can see it in the camera, is there. There's like a flat spot there. And you're supposed to line that up to fit. It was an absolute bastard to do. It really was. And you twist them and you feel, and you can't even feel that it just won't go in. I spent ages trying to get the in. And that's it, that's perfect. It took an age to get them in. That was perfect. Not all of them are perfect. I got bored in the end. So I don't know why they've done that. It was, yeah, I was getting so frustrated. That one's in properly, I see. But I don't think the other two are, because I just got fed up with trying. That one's in, and that one isn't. I'm going to have to redo that one again. But yeah, they really did wind me right up. It took ages to do them. Stickers went on fine. Everything else is pretty toka. It's a really, if you know somebody who's into Volkswagen and camper vans and you want to buy them a little gift, buy them one of these, because they will have so much fun. This was quite a nice little piece. You can see the engine there, and then in the back there's the sticker there for the cam belt, or the fan belt, whatever you want to call it. It's a lovely piece. So that moves. Nothing else does move. Oh, see that glass has come out. Push that glass in again, I think. Just lift that up if I can. I'm not going to bother. But yeah, lovely mod. I love the way that's all set up. That's a lovely build. The front piece is roughly 5 pieces. It goes together superbly, I must say. There you go. So you've got the badge. You've got a spare badge as well in case you lose one. You put the sticker on for the steering wheel, obviously. But yeah. So 1, 2, 3 pieces, then that goes into the 4th piece, then the lights go in behind, which is 5 pieces, then it slots in on top of that bumper there. Lovely bit of engineering that. I really like that. It looked really good. Stunning. So yeah, that's it. That's basically where we're at with this kit. Lovely job. Thank you very much, Airfix, for giving us opportunity of doing this, and you know, giving us a decent beast of a camper van. So there you are. If you liked the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and ring that bell to be notified on any new videos. Any questions, any comments, put them in the box below and I do reply, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.